In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily turn off the keyboard sound on your iPhone. Many people find the clicking sound of the keyboard annoying or distracting, especially in quiet environments. Thankfully, Apple has provided a simple way to disable this feature and enjoy silent typing. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Haptics. After that, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Tap Keyboard Feedback. And now, to turn off the keyboard sound on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch next to Sound. This is exactly how you can turn off the keyboard sound on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.